Well, I am back in hot, humid New York City after a quick trip out to the Great Pacific Northwest. While I was out there, I did a fun little day trip to a little town in central Washington called Leavenworth. Take a look it up. Super fun, cute little place, great day trip. Leavenworth is modeled after old German towns. It's got a whole theme running through the whole town. Really good food, a lot of fun there. Definitely highly recommended, especially in the wintertime. The wintertime is really where it's at. Unfortunately, this was during the summer, but you still got a good sense of it. I hope you enjoy. Please subscribe and like, and we'll get you more stuff soon. Thank you.
Where am I? I'm in Pike Place Market in Seattle, and it's sunny. Let's go.
I'm at the world famous Pike Place Market in Seattle, Washington. It's actually a sunny day. Market opened in 1907. And having sangria.
Ice cold.
Ice cold. It's a beautiful day in Seattle, but not a lot to do at the market since most of the places were closed there. Leavenworth is a city in central Washington, about 2 hours' drive from Seattle. The entire town center was modeled on a Bavarian village as part of a civic initiative in the 60s to bring in more tourism as the lumber industry slowed. The area is a major four-season tourist destination with festivals nearly every month and a multitude of events scheduled on weekends and weekdays year-round. We're here at Bavarian Bar and Bistro. I'm gonna get a Schnitzel, and like other restaurants, they have the QR code right on the table for the menus. Go ahead and start that. So I got the Jaeger Schnitzel, which is the Hunter Schnitzel. It comes with some Spätzle. There's like a boiled dough. And looks like cabbage with beet juice. Kind of like a slaw. And the Schnitzel comes with a Hunter's sauce, which is like a beef gravy with some mushrooms. Oh, really good. Brown sauce.
How was everything?
Really good.
Good.
Oh, those wieners are good. Oh, this is like a double schnitzel. Look. It's a schnitzel on top of a schnitzel. Ooh. It's crispy. Here. Take a look at the schnitzel. On top of the schnitzel, and the gravy on top. That's so good. So the Hunter's gravy, again, it's just like a brown sauce. Some mushrooms. Can't tell if there's some kind of meat in there too. I think it's like a speck or something like that. Gives a nice meatiness. That is really good. That's hearty. And that slaw's got a little bit of fruitiness to it too. Wow. This is so good because I was just told I could taste the apple juice in it, which gave it this nice sweetness, but I was also told that it's made with lard, and that's why it tastes so good. I've never met a schnitzel I didn't like. I washed that one down, and now I got this to help me. That was good. Digestif. Not only do you have a cute little town to look at, you're surrounded by gorgeous mountains, a lot of green, and some streams as well. You can take a small hike. You can stay in some beautiful hotels in the area.
They have a Nutcracker Museum.
The Leavenworth Nutcracker Museum is a famous museum dedicated to nutcrackers. In 2010, it housed over 6,000 nutcrackers. In addition to the museum, they have a number of stores there, including candy shops, souvenir shops, a cheese shop, meat shop. You can get beer, you can get wine. A lot of the wine is sourced from the Columbia Valley, which is a famous wine region in Washington State.
Oh, look at all these pickles. Wow. Look at all kinds of pickle things here. Carrots. Jalapenos. Green beans. Olives. Garlic. Okra. Beets. Baby corn. Peppered pickle sticks. Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this? Yes. This is cute. This is adults only, and they're
only room, yes.
X-rated.
And so this is where we used to have a lot of like our private parties on that part.
Nice. Ooh, I feel so randy.
Yeah, so what we really strive on here is to kind of have more of a fun vibe. We have our V&A, which is more of a light dryer. It's 100% V&A and it's done in a stainless steel casket. The next one is our Naughty Boy, which you're gonna find to be a lot more crisp, fruit forward. It is 50% Riesling and 50% orange muscat. The next one is our infamous Shameless Hussy Rosé. We call that summertime in a bottle. It's fun rosé, everybody loves it. We sell out of it every summer. Next one we have is our Pinot Noir. You're gonna find that as a little bit lighter red, but it's gonna be more earth tones. The next one is our Primitivo, which is gonna be definitely more fruit forward. It is equivalent to a California Red Zinfandel.
Leavenworth is definitely worth the beautiful drive from Seattle to this little Bavarian-inspired hamlet in the middle of the state. I even hear during the winter time, it is the best time to come because everything is super Christmassy there. So you can really get your holiday fix in.